Have you ever wondered how high jumpers clear such a tall bar? Imagine hitting a javelin on the ground. It bounces, spins, and flies over a bar. High jumpers use the same physics tricks. Let's find out how. First, the javelin. When you hit a javelin hard on the ground pushes back with a force. This force lifts the javelin up and makes it spin. The spinning power helps it sail over the bar, but its center, the center of mass, stays below the bar. That's physics at work. Now, high jumpers. They run in a curve, push off the ground with one foot, and lean back and sideways. The ground's force lifts them up, and their lean makes them spin in the air, like doing a flip. This spin lets their body go over the bar, but their center of mass stays below it. This is called the Fosbury flop, jumping and spinning together. Why is high jump special? In a regular jump, you just go straight up, like reaching for a basketball. But high jump needs both jumping and spinning. That's why high jumpers don't jump as high in regular jumps as they do over the bar. The javelin spin is a simple example of this physics. So, friends, now you know how physics makes high jump awesome. If you like this lesson, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more. Comment below, have you ever tried high jump or another sport where physics feels like magic?